These vegetable buns are filled with super tasty ingredients. And then pan-fried until the bottom is crispy. We won't be making the dough from scratch. Instead, we'll be using dumpling wrappers. In a bowl, add the glass noodles and pour in the hot water. Soak for about 5 minutes until softened. Drain the glass noodles and cut into about 2 inches long. To make the dipping sauce, in a small bowl, add the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar, and chili oil. And you can click on the link right here for the most delicious homemade chili oil recipe. Whisk. Set aside. In a mixing bowl, toss in the cabbage, carrots, and sesame oil. By doing so, they won't release liquid that easily while wrapping. Add the soaked glass noodles. Also add the vegetarian oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, white pepper. Mix well. The dumpling wrappers I'm using today are about 5 inches in diameter. You can also use the ones that are 3 inches in diameter. Click on the link right here and watch how to make dumpling wrappers from scratch. Place the wrapper flat. Add about 2 tablespoons of the filling in the center. Tap some water around the edge. Fold and seal the bun. Here's an interesting legend regarding buns or baozi. Legend has it baozi was invented by Zhuge Liang, a military strategist, during the Three Kingdoms period. So they were crossing the Lu River during a battle time. According to the local customs, they must sacrifice human heads to the river before crossing. So out of kindness, he created a head-shaped food as a symbolic offering to the gods. That sounds interesting, isn't it? In a pan over medium heat, add the avocado oil and place in the vegetable buns. Pan fry until the bottom is crispy, 2 minutes. To prevent splattering, cover the lid halfway and pour in the water. Cover the lid. Steam over medium heat for about 7 minutes. Serve the buns with the sauce. The skin is thin and crispy on the bottom. The filling is very delectable and juicy. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, please subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon.